but it's not Rommel. He isn't far behind, but something's gone badly wrong. Overnight, Rommel has lost one of his tusks. He could have been fighting, and maybe he lost, because it's his rival, Kofi, who's got Mohican's attention. Breaking a tusk puts him at a serious disadvantage. Rommel isn't one to give up, but his competition is building. The reserve is now full of bulls, and they're all throwing their weight around. Ultimately, though, it's Mohican who will decide which bull she wants to mate with. Kofi tries a new technique, acting casual and posing with his trunk over one tusk. Maybe it's working. Walking quickly away is a strategy to see if he'll follow, and Kofi is taking the initiative. Rommel's got the biggest reputation in the reserve, but he isn't making the moves. With a broken tusk and added competition, his chances with Mohican seem to be slipping away. Things are looking up for Rommel. He's seen off the competition, including Kofi. He now has Mohican all to himself. He's timed his advances perfectly, because she's now probably at the peak of her estrus. Something is definitely in the air. All the elephants are getting excited. The courtship begins in earnest, with Rommel closely following Mohican. At first, she moves quickly away. But she slows down, and Rommel places his trunk on her back, a signal for her to stand still. Finally, Rommel gets his girl. The whole herd are trumpeting and excited about the mating. For Mohican, the difficult days of being pursued by bulls have paid off. She's been mated by the biggest, toughest bull in the reserve, and in nearly 2 years' time, she may have a new baby. Rommel has certainly impressed Mohican and the herd. They're following him away.